Welcome to Bad Food Blog, and we have another one. We have another Heat Me, Eat Me microwave meal. Yay! And this one, wow, this one looks special. This is the burger and chips. Burger and chips. Burger and chips. No other description as to what's in the box. Let's read the ingredients. Chips, 48%. Potatoes, sunflower oil, dextrose. Sesame seed bun, cooked beef burger. Is 23% of the packet apparently. That's kind of, I guess that's by weight rather than volume. That's kind of amusing. It's 80% beef, then it's wheat flour, soya, wheat protein. Okay, so that's an interesting ingredients list there. I left off all the chemicals. Let's see what's inside, shall we? That's it. I'm always surprised. Look how small this is. Oh my god, I wish I had a Rustler's burger to compare it to. It's tiny. Oh my god, it's so small. And look at this portion of chips. It's like literally a handful. And look, a handful of burger as well. Wow, I'm not eating very much this evening, am I? No, I'm not eating very much. Okay, right, let's put this on a plate and get it in the microwave. So, reading the cooking instructions, I have a plate. Do you like the juxtaposed angle? It's quite cool, isn't it? So, all products must be cooked in the microwave before eating. All cooking appliances vary. Cook from frozen. Remove from all packaging and set the bread bun aside. Spread the chips and burger together on a microwavable plate. Seems easy enough. Okay, how long do we microwave these for? Refer to cooking instructions. Full power 2 minutes. Full power 1 minute 50 seconds. Okay, so I have to cook it for 2 minutes, then put the burger back together, and then put it in for another 1 minute 50 seconds. Although in my microwave, I think I'm going to be fine. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Okay, here it goes. First 2 minutes. And we'll see what it's like when it's done. Okay, the first part's finished cooking, first 2 minutes. Let's put the bun back together and put it back in. It's kind of steaming, but it's very cold in the middle there. Yeah, we're supposed to do that, put it back together and put it in for another 1 minute 50 seconds. Should be fine. Let's see what it's like when it's done. Well, it's just finished and come out of the microwave, and now I can't even touch the plate. It is steaming away like mad. The bun's hot all the way through, as you can see. There we go. The chips are incredibly soggy, as you'd expect from microwave chips. And let's put a bit of salt on and a dash of seasoning on there. And we're going to go for some tomato ketchup. It's absolutely tiny. Honestly can't believe how small it is. Wow, I wonder what it's going to taste like. The chips have all stuck together. Maybe it's going to be another 20-30 seconds before I can even attempt to pick any of that up. 4 minutes in a microwave, or 3 minutes 50 seconds, does seem a tad excessive for the size and weight of the food. It's only 200 grams. Serve immediately. The chips are essentially raw. I mean, they're hot, but they're more like shaped boiled potato. To give you a sort of clue, there's no crunch to them at all. They're just... There is nothing there at all. I mean... Whoa. Wow, I've got to turn that up the other way so I can eat it at some point. It's just steaming hot. The bun is well above boiling. Well, not great is not even close. It's probably okay to eat now. All right, let's give it a bite. Well, not only are the bun and the burger roughly the same colour, they also taste roughly the same. It's almost impossible in my mouth to distinguish between the flavour of the bun or the burger. Or the texture. When your burger has the texture of a microwave bun, you have a severe problem. This is worse than the doner kebab. At least the doner kebab had texture and flavour. The predominant flavour from this is the tomato ketchup. There's practically nothing else here. A great meal that is not. I don't even know why I'm finishing the chips. Right. Buyer beware. Eat me, burger and chips. Definitely not recommended. I would not be buying this again. I mean, the only reason I buy this again is to cook the ingredients properly, see if I get a flavour out of them. But the microwave is not a way to cook burger and chips. I mean, Rustlers do it 10 times better than this. That was just poor. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. More to come.